I know, I know. Whoa! Whoa! Leave him alone.
Come here.
Oh, it's okay,
So
buddy.
cute. Aww.
What? Why is it stinking there? Oh, wait, stop.
Donkey?
I believe.
Donkey? Hi! Hi, buddy. I'm sorry I'm not sharing my flowers with you.
Julie, stop, please.